Let us look at proposition number 30 of works of Archimedes, specifically from book 1 of On the Sphere and Cylinder. The proposition says, the surface of a figure circumscribed as before about a sphere is greater than 4 times the great circle of the sphere. So let's see how we can prove this. Given a sphere with a circumscribed polygon of 4n sides, let A, M, A prime, M prime in lowercase be the great circle on the given sphere. Now the polygon produces a polygonal solid on being revolved about A prime. So we have the A prime, and if we revolve the polygon about this line segment, then it would produce a polygonal solid. What the proposition is saying is that surface of the circumscribed polygonal solid is greater than 4 times the great circle of the given sphere. Okay, so let's remove this so that we can see it properly. Let R be a circle equal to the surface of the circumscribed polygonal solid. So I'm not showing R because it is going to be just a circle. So just remember that R be a circle equal to the surface of the circumscribed polygonal solid. And we have already seen that B prime plus M prime plus Y prime is to A prime is equal to A prime B is to AB. In a previous proposition, we have seen this. Now let's take the product of the extremes and product of the means. They will be equal. So let's multiply AB times B prime plus M prime plus Y prime is equal to A prime times A prime B. Now again we have seen that AB times B prime plus M prime plus Y prime is the radius of R square. So since this is equal to this, that means the radius of R square is equal to A prime times A prime B. Now look at this triangle A prime B. It's a right angle triangle because it's in a semicircle, or it's on the diameter of the great circle, and A prime is the hypotenuse. That means A prime is greater than A prime B. Let's multiply both sides by A prime B. Then A prime times A prime B is greater than A prime B times A prime B, which can be written as A prime times A prime B is greater than A prime B squared. So radius of R square is greater than A prime B square. Since radius of R square is equal to A prime times A prime B. P is the midpoint of AB. So let's map. Let me show you that point. P is the midpoint of AB, which is the point of contact of the segment AB with the circle. And O is the midpoint of A prime because that's the center, and A prime is the diameter. So that means AP is to BP is equal to AO is to OA prime. So let's actually join OP. Now here we have angle A, angle capital A, or rather we can say angle BAA prime is common to both these two triangles. Now what this means is that triangle AOP is similar to triangle AA prime B, which means that A prime B is equal to 2 times OP. OP is the point of contact between AB and circle in lowercase a, m, a prime, m prime. So radius of r square is greater than a prime b square, which we can write it as 2 times OP square, because a prime b is equal to 2 times OP. So radius of r square is greater than 4 times OP square. So circle R is greater than 4 times the circle A, M, A prime, M prime. Because circles are in the duplicate ratio of their radius. So which means we have shown that surface of the circumscribed polygonal solid is greater than 4 times great circle of the given sphere. Because remember, circle R we said is equal to surface of the circumscribed polygonal solid. That is proposition number 30 of works of Archimedes, specifically from book 1 of On the Sphere and Cylinder. Again, let me remind you, there is a link to a PDF book which describes all these propositions in detail. Please feel free to download it, refer to it, and if you think somebody else can also benefit from it, please do share. That's it for now.